Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Kumar Tandi and today I am going to discuss about the topic trigonometric. Before starting this topic, we have to see some pictures. There is a building. Can we calculate the height of this building without using any equipment or any electronic gadgets? One more picture. Can a person calculate the distance of this animal without using any gadgets from the top of this house? Yes, it is possible through trigonometry. Now trigonometry is taken from the Greek language with three words, that is trigon and metron, and the meaning of trigon metrons are three sides and measure. Tri means three, gon means sides, and metron means measure. Now we have to see the definition of trigonometry. So trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that provide relation between angles and sides of any triangle. So let's take an right angle triangle, that is A, B and C, where angle B is 90 degree and the opposite side of this right angle is called hypotenuse. Again we have to define angle C as an acute angle. Now what is acute angle? An angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle, like 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. These are acute angle, and we are defining angle C theta as a acute angle. Now the adjacent side of this acute angle, that is BC. BC is called base of this triangle, and the side opposite to this acute angle is called perpendicular. Now we have to know the very tricky formula to know the relation between these sides and angles also, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol Sona Chandi Tol. Now it is directly related to this order. The first word Sona, and we have to take first letter S for sign, second word Chandi, and we have to choose first letter of Chandi, that is C, and C for cos theta, and third one is Tol. The first letter of this word is tan theta. It means by order 1, 2 and 3. Sin theta will represent, that is PVP upon HHB. The first letter of Pandit is P, and P represent perpendicular of this triangle, B represent base of this triangle, and H represent hypotenuse of this triangle. So sin theta, when we are taking sin theta, then we have to choose first ratio of this formula, that is P upon H, means perpendicular upon H. So sin theta equal to P upon H. Again cos theta means the ratio of B upon H, second ratio, that is B upon H, means base upon hypotenuse, and the last one is, that is P upon B, means perpendicular upon base. So it is the relation between angle and sides of this triangle. If we are taking this angle C as an acute angle, when we are taking angle A as an acute angle, then the base and perpendicular will be changed. How? If we are taking acute angle A as an theta, then the adjacent side of this triangle will be AB. So here sin theta equal to P upon S, that P for perpendicular, that is AB, upon में H for hypotenuse, that is AC. Again B upon H, that is cos theta, means cos theta equal to B upon H. What is B? B for base, that is BC upon में AC, and last one tan theta, perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? In diagram AB upon base means BC. Now if you want to take angle A as an acute angle, then the base will be changed and as well as the perpendicular also will change. Let's how it will be changed. Suppose I want to change acute angle as a sin A. Sin A also a perpendicular upon H, but the adjacent side of this acute angle is AB. So AB will be work like a base, and the opposite side of this acute angle is called now perpendicular. So in this formula, perpendicular will be BC and hypotenuse will be AC. So it will work like this. Now cosec theta, next ratio cosec theta, and it is direct reciprocal to sin theta. So cosec theta equal to, it will be H upon P. The next one is sec theta, and it is also direct proportional of cos theta, and it is H upon P. Cos theta is B upon H, then sec theta will be H upon P, because sec theta is directly proportional to cos theta. We can also write like this, 1 upon sin theta, or sec theta 1 upon cos theta. Now the last one, tan theta. Tan theta is also reciprocal of cot theta. Here cot theta is also reciprocal of tan theta. Now cot theta will be B upon P. So by this basic concept, we can solve any trigonometric problem using this basic property. Thank you.